Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can download and install BSL shaders for Minecraft 1.19. Make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important steps or information. So let's get on it. Well, BSL shaders are widely considered the best looking shader available. So Bedrock players unfortunately cannot take part in them. They have access to other things like texture packs, but shaders are Java exclusive. So the first step to do that, so ensure that the version matches. So to ensure the 1.9 shaders work, Minecraft players must also ensure that their game is updated to the latest version. If not, they will need to update before proceeding, or they can download older versions of the BSL shaders. And then second step is to download the OptiFine mod. So gamers will also need the OptiFine mod to run the BSL shader. So this is a very popular graphical mod that many Java users have already installed. And if not, the OptiFine website has the files and instructions necessary for mod installation. And then next, you can visit the BSL Shader site. So on the BSL Shader website, players will find the download files for the shader, and the most recent update for the shader is listed as having occurred in May of 2022. So this is technically prior to the 1.19 updates release. And then fourth step, visit the in-game settings. So in-game, crafters should navigate to video settings, and from there they will find the shaders option. So a folder for shaders will open a window where players can find shader packs for the game, and players must then drag the .zip file or the zip file from wherever it is presently located in the window, so which probably won't have any other files. So this window can be closed after the shader is successfully transported over. And then lastly, you can activate the shader for the world. So now in a world, gamers can choose their preferred shaders. So in this case, they should select BSL shaders. Depending on their installed options, the list may be long. So this will also be the place to go if players want to change from BSL to something else in the future. So the download instructions will largely be the same for any shaders found anywhere as well. So that's it for this video, and and remember, you can always pause this video, go back to the video, and follow the steps at your own time. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.